hey, I don't want to sell the oils. I don't want to be a distributor. That's okay. You can become a wholesale customer. Most people do. It's like, hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about the top 3 mistakes people be making when they're looking to buy some doTERRA essential oils. Alright, so the first one has to do with, actually all of them have to do with where you're going to get them from, especially if you're new to doTERRA. Alright, so the first thing is, hey, let me just go to doTERRA.com, right? I'm looking for some oils, and let me just go to doTERRA.com. And that's great if you just want to get some oils and be assigned to somebody that you don't know for a wholesale account, or just be kind of like a one and done kind of purchaser on the retail side. But it really lacks the service element, and you're assigned somebody that you don't know, like, and trust, and so it's just kind of like a lot is left up into the air. And it's better really to just go with somebody that is either in your local area or that you find online and that you vibe with, that you connect with, and that you can actually match a name with a face. You know what I'm saying? So that's going to be really important. Alright, so definitely want to try to do that instead of just going to doTERRA.com. Alright, so the second mistake people be making is that they just are like, hey, I'm looking for some cheap essential oils, and you know, maybe doTERRA will be cheaper on Amazon.com. Hey, let's type that in and see what's going on. Well, the thing about that is if you look at doTERRA's policy online, it actually says that no wellness advocate is allowed to sell on these types of marketplaces like eBay or Amazon. And so, number one, if you see a doTERRA oil on there, you're going to have to question the integrity of that individual, and you're going to have to question why they're actually selling that. Do they have a lot of like overstock of oils? Are they just ignoring policy and ethics and integrity around how, you know, company policy is set up? And then on top of that, a lot of times these oils can have quality issues with regards to being tampered with. I mean, like repackaging, loose bottle caps, repurposing oils. It's just not a good look. Kind of highly sketchy at the end of the day, just trying to get anything that is from doTERRA on Amazon.com. I would just avoid it altogether. Again, you want to work with somebody you know, like, and trust, and go through them as they go through doTERRA, right? And the third main way that, you know, people make mistakes is just like, hey, I am just going to get oils retail from an individual. Like, okay, I get it, I shouldn't go on Amazon. Okay, I get it, I shouldn't go directly to doTERRA.com. Let me just get it from you and just get it retail. You know what I'm saying? Like, that sounds like a really great option. Well, number one, the average life expectancy in the US is 79 years. And so, like, wellness and, like, a lifestyle and health is not just like a one and done thing. Like, if you look at that, 79 years old, and then you subtract your current age, that's how many years you got to live on this earth. You know, tomorrow's not promised for any of us, but I'm saying, like, that's a lot of years to just go through life. And you know, stuff be popping up, like with regards to sleep, energy, digestion, you know, immune system, hormones. There's a lot of stuff that can happen all up in the body right here, you know, and talk about skin things, and I mean, there's a lot of stuff that can happen. And so just getting retail, you don't save any money, and it's more just like a transaction. And it's nice if people just kind of want a low risk kind of purchase, and you know, but at the end of the day, like, what will turn that experience into something that's really going to support a wellness lifestyle is a kit purchase and moving towards the loyalty rewards program, because that is saying, like, hey, you know, wellness is a lifestyle to me, and it's something that I want to maintain, because what we do to get well is what we should do to stay well, right? It's not something that we just are like, hey, you know, I'm going to just do it once and then never do it again, you know, like, what's up with that? No, like, wellness should be a lifestyle. It should be something that we do and maintain, just like a vehicle, right? Like, you take your car to get oil changes and filters and maybe tire rotation every 5,000 miles, so that it doesn't break down on you, so that it keeps going the extra mile for you, so that it helps you get from point A to point B in the smoothest way possible. And our bodies are like a vehicle, right? They move around too, and they're made up of a lot of different parts and stuff like that. So it's so important that we maintain wellness, and that we're able to do so in a very affordable way with the Loyalty Rewards program, because you get up to 55% off after a year. And then also with the purchase of a kit on the front end, so that you get started with a lot of different natural solutions to be prepared with life's little emergencies. So to recap, the top 3 mistakes that people be making sometimes, that I see, you know, out there, and when I get messages on Facebook and emails and Instagram and all that other stuff, is number one, hey, I'm just going to go to doTERRA.com. That's a big no-no. Number two, because you want that personalized service, right? Number two, I'm going to go to Amazon. Well, that's against company policy. If you do see oils on there, that person's, kind of questionable. And yeah, And then number three is, I'm just get retail because I don't want to sell the oils. I don't want to be a distributor. That's okay. You can become a wholesale customer. Most people do. It's like 60, 70, 80% depending on what stats and years you look at. So yeah, it's all good. You just become like a Costco member but with doTERRA and have instead of Joe Schmo, the manager, you got, somebody like and trust. Hey, how about that? Okay, well that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future video updates. And most of all, check out some of the links in the description below so you can learn more about everything. And my videos and all that good stuff. Alright? Alright, I'll see you soon.